We are woodsmen.
We are
women.
woodsmen. Where's Maxwell Bay? Hey, good morning, everyone. I'm not in my sewing room. We came to a local park. Actually,
It's very pleasant.
it's very pleasant. How far away is it from our house? Not too far. A mile?
Very close.
Yeah, very close to our home.
We should tell jokes because look, they've cracked. You cracked me up. At least the tree's cracked. And look
Oh,
at that.
wow,
Just
look at
show
that.
tree.
Yeah.
That is astounding. Wow, that snaps.
That probably snapped in the tornado.
In a storm, yeah.
In the
yeah,
storm.
Tornado.
Well, no, not that it doesn't look like the woods in our property,
No.
because most of them are intact. These are beautiful woods and tall trees, man. Man alive. Look at the size of these trees. We're close to home.
And this is a woodland walk we
Yeah.
didn't know existed.
Yeah.
We just chanced upon it this morning.
We've come to this park before. You've ridden your bike?
I haven't ridden down here, but we'll have to get our bikes and come to explore the whole trail.
It's going for miles.
It is. We've already walked quite a way.
Have we?
And right behind you, you can see a grassy trail. That looks interesting. But we'd have to do that not on our road bikes, we'd have to do that on
On a mountain bike.
our mountain bikes.
Or not.
Cross treks or whatever you call them.
Or not.
Oh, Jean is so fit.
I'm so fit. I am fit under my fat.
And feminine
I am fit.
and phenomenal. And all the other PHs.
PHs. This is so pretty. I'm so at home in the woods. I was just saying my blood pressure, although I have good blood pressure, my blood pressure lowers.
But Jean,
when I
we're
go-
going against the flow. Look at the arrow here.
What
Just
arrow?
walk backwards. Walk backwards and then look down at the ground.
What the heck? What?
Look down to my left. That's it, your left. Good.
Oh, I did go. I did the. Oh,
The arrow's saying you've got to go that way. We're going against the flow, but that's good. This is our flow. This is our
what are you
direction.
talking about?
Look, the arrow says go that way.
I know, but the arrow up there said to come this way.
Did it?
That green thing, didn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
this way, but
I don't know what the heck
All the
that's.
red arrows are saying go in the other
Maybe that
direction.
was for like a walk or something.
Yeah, it must have been.
Because the green arrows of the park.
or maybe there was an event.
That's what I mean. Yeah, like there was a walk or a run or fundraiser
you're
or
right.
something. Yeah,
A marathon.
a marathon or something.
Oh,
Oh,
the weather's beautiful.
it's
What is
so
it, about
nice.
47 degrees
Yeah,
Fahrenheit.
we're bundled up.
and sunshine.
Yeah, we're bundled up.
Yes, and then there's me with Jeff.
And then there's Maxwell with just the hoodie on. Yeah, I didn't want to get cold at all, and Ian didn't want to get cold, so we just got a bit bundled up. But actually, we're comfortable. We're comfortable.
This is going miles from our
Oh,
starting point.
okay. So do you want to go back?
Oh no, I want to walk miles, but
I don't
how
want to
about
walk.
you?
I'm
thinking of
okay.
you.
I'm okay. My back was my back and my lower leg were hurting me a little bit.
Sciatica.
My
maybe.
sciatica, yeah, was hurting me. But as I'm walking through the lovely woods here, I'm rejuvenated. It doesn't hurt as much. And it's just so pretty. So we just wanted to say good morning to you folks. We had a lovely weekend. We hope you guys did too. We were with some friends. It was so nice. And here we are.
And this is why they call it the fall, because we're walking over tons of acorns, horse chestnuts, all the dropped leaves that are starting to
It's so pretty.
accumulate.
It's so pretty.
In England we don't call it the fall, it's just the autumn, and it wasn't
the
until I
autumn.
came to England that I'd ever heard the word
No, it wasn't until you came to
the
America.
fall. Now I understand what it's all about.
Yeah, the pretty
It's
Pretty
very,
trees.
very pretty.
We'll cut this down. The reds, not quite yet.
Nope.
Not quite yet, but it's so pretty. So pretty.
Makes me want to go into the woods with a couple of our chainsaws and clear up all the dead wood.
Yeah, there is.
Of course we don't.
No, Maxwell's done with chainsaws.
We don't have a log burner.
We don't, so why do we need the
In the
wood?
previous house we had a log burner during the winter time.
Maxwell, do you miss our wood burner? We had one at our house and at the other
yes,
house.
But also no.
Yeah, because we were fed up with.
Family home, we had a superb log burner.
Well, and that's the last house that flooded.
The last house didn't. It wasn't okay burner.
It would burn very quickly.
Yeah.
But our original log burner
Yeah.
that we had in the family home
Yeah.
Would burn.
Yeah, that
right the way
kept
through the night.
that kept us warm.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the little squirrel. Sweet. Anyway, folks, we just wanted to say, ooh, squirrel.
Squirrels are good and tasty when they're cooked.
Maxwell.
Oh, Maxwell.
What an evil.
Carnivore.
You are a carnivore.
You hunter. In opposition to
Yeah.
squirrels.
It's in opposition to squirrels. Oh, there's a bunch of them actually. Anyway, folks,
Very pretty.
we just thought we'd say hello and wish you all a happy Tuesday. This is on Tuesday morning. And yeah, hope you're having a good day.
Jean's eyes are full of love. See the heart.
Oh, my
shape?
heart shape. You must again excuse my sunglasses because my eyes, but all right, folks. Love from the Trueloves. Have a lovely day. Bye.